Hey guys, I need to know if this is a problem because every time I shake my iPod touch a little bit while it's recording video, or even if it's not recording video, it makes like a rattling sound, like something's loose or something. So here, I'm gonna go ahead and shake it a little bit so you can hear it in the video. Here you go. So, if this is a problem, please let me know. If it's not a big deal, then great. But I need to know if this is a problem because I want to get this sorted out. So, yeah, thanks for your help about this. So, peace out.